like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I love how there's just like one random crimpy part of my hair. It was a braid and I took the braid out, but I didn't have a braid on the other side, so that's why. But that's not the point, right? So we're not gonna focus on that. As you can see by the title, today I am doing a video on the I almost said melt, e.l.f. mint collection. There's too many M's here. There's only one, but anyway, I'm finally doing a video on the e.l.f. mint collection. I received this, the whole little PR package in the mail. I know this came out like weeks ago, so I'm a little late to the party, but that's okay. Look how cute the actual package is. It's like a little, you know, ice cream container. When I saw it, I was like, is there actually ice cream in there? Which, if there was, I would not be a fan because mint ice cream is an abomination. Okay, I said what I said, but the actual package is cute, right? And then, how do I, ooh. Oh, okay. No, wait. Okay. Once I open it up, your limited edition mint melt. Oh, that's why I was gonna call it melts. Oh, they got the whole thing in here. So there's the collection inside. Let's get into it. I'm not going to use the skincare in the collection because I've already done skincare, but there is a mint melt minty fresh cooling cleanser, and there's also a whipped face mask. They also have one of the little cleansing clouds. If you guys didn't see the reel I posted on Instagram, these things are fire, okay, for removing your makeup. Especially, I saw a tweet yesterday talking about makeup wipes. Well, if you can't use makeup wipes, what are you supposed to use? You can use these, you just like wet them and it'll remove all of your makeup. You can also like clean them. I think you get like 100 uses out of these. I'm still using the one that I have, but got a backup already. Or oil and then go in with a cleanser to remove it, because you know, like makeup wipes, you really don't need them anymore, but you know, continue using what you want to use. But that's the skincare that came in the collection. I see 2 eyeshadow palettes. What is this one? The chocolate mint looks like this, and then the second one is mint to be. I think we're gonna do a mint eyeshadow look today. I don't think I've done mint eyeshadow in general like ever, but I think we're gonna do one today. I think I want just a straight up mint eyeshadow look, like not even a deeper green in a crease or anything like that. You know, that kind of one color eyeshadow look. So I think that's what we're going to do today. They also have the No Budge Eyeshadows. There's a mint color, I think there's another brown one, but I'm gonna take, of course, the mint one in Mint For You and just put that down as a base once I get the sticker off. Do I have to peel? Yeah, I gotta peel. You know, just freely put this down because I'm just using it as a base. They also have brushes in the collection. Just buff that out a bit. And I'm gonna take the matte mint from the Mint To Be palette and put that all over on top of the cream shadow and literally just pack it on. And then this mint shimmer shade from the mint, whatever it's called. And just apply that on top. And of course, you need a good little buff around the edges. Okay, so they also launched the Cooling Face Primer. I hope this is more like the dewy primer than the, what is it, putty primer? As far as like the formula. All right, let's see. Ooh, she definitely feels like the dew primer. She has a kind of cooling effect. Okay, I like what I'm feeling. I'm trying to smell, see if it smells like mint, and it does. Not a strong scent, but like you get the little whiff of it. I'm gonna put that in my T-zone, and then I'm gonna do the rest of my face. Because I think the only other thing in the collection is lip products, so I'll be back for that. No, this smells like chocolate, not mint. well, chocolate mint. Okay, and for the lip products, I have 2 greenish tints glosses, and then 2 a little bit more brownish. I think I'm gonna use this one and then this green one as like a topper-ish shade, just to have like a little hint of green in my lips as well. And well, let's see. Okay, what's the name of this shade? It is, oh, just mint chocolate. All right, and I'm just gonna put that, oh, make sure you can see that in the middle. Yeah, they also smell like mint chocolate. Okay, and this is a hint of mint. Fingers crossed that I like it, because if I don't, I have to do my lips over again, and I don't want to. So let me just, it's not really doing much of anything. It adds like a little hint of a clearish green to it, but if you're looking for a legit like green topper, it's not gonna do that, which could either be a good thing or a bad thing for you, because I'm not mad at my lips right now. And this isn't from the collection, but it's from e.l.f. as well. So I'm just gonna use this mascara, the Lash It Loud, for my bottom lashes. So that is it for my face today. But 1 second here, were the lip products like lip plumpers? Because I'm feeling a little tingling in my lips. I'm not mad at it, but it just threw me off. I don't remember like seeing on the website if it was a lip plumping gloss, but their glosses in general, highly recommend, and it's e.l.f. I think they're like $3 glosses. So if you want to pick one up from this collection or just in general, I suggest that you do that. But that is it for this video. That's it for the mint collection. The eyeshadows, they give very, you know, the bite size. Is this a bite size palette? You guys know the little bite-sized palettes from e.l.f. I really like those, and it's green, favorite color, so here for it. And look at that, a minty, you know, pastel-y-ish type shade working on my skin tone, actually looking like the shade it's supposed to be, you know. So like other brands that put out those products that don't do that, like, you really ain't got no excuse, because again, it's e.l.f. It's like probably like a $3 product. Just saying. So if you've tried the like bite-sized eyeshadows and you like them, and you're debating if you want to get these, if you like the bite-sized, you'll like these. It's just you depending on if you like the colors that come in these 2 eyeshadow palettes. The primer, like I said, it was giving me a little bit more of the dewy primer, which I like, and you can't really find that primer in stores. With a lot of e.l.f. collections, a lot of their stuff be good, but like it goes out of stock and then like never comes back in, or you gotta catch it really quickly because it quickly sells out. So it was giving me very much dewy primer, but with a little bit more like milk hydro grip, because it felt like a little grippy. Actually, my hands were a little sticky after I applied the primer, which I didn't really like that, but the primer itself, like, I think the products applied nicely on top of it. It does have a kind of cooling effect to it. I'll let you know like how it like wears on top of that throughout the day, but I feel like it's giving very much jelly pop dew primer. So again, if you like that, that'll help you make a decision if you want to pick this up. And I already talked about the lip glosses. I didn't try the skincare. And what else? Wasn't there something? Oh, the eyeshadow cream sticks. It was creamy. It wasn't like too creamy to where I feel like, you know, it'll be like off my face by the end of the day. It was like the nice amount. Honestly, it was a nice collection. I think it really just comes down to if you like the colors in this, because these products give very much the products that they already have, just in a different collection. And because I mentioned this collection a minute ago and you guys said you wanted a video, I went on the website and I actually purchased the collection. So I've got it sitting here in front of me, and then I received it in the mail. I have which eyeshadow palette is this one? So I have this eyeshadow palette, which is this one, the mint chocolate one. Yeah, is that what it's called? The chocolate mint one. I've got all of the lip products, and then I'm gonna add in the 2 eyeshadow pencils that eyeshadow creams that I didn't use in this video, and then the primer as well in a giveaway, because what am I going to do with 2 of these, right? So if you would like to win this little mini version of the e.l.f. mint collection, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, thumbs up this video, and comment down below what your favorite color is. Green is my favorite color. So it's, everything is just coming together that it's right. I do a giveaway in this video, right? So mint green is my favorite color. Let me know what your favorite color is down below. Also, let me know your, you know, Instagram, Twitter, email handle to where to contact you if you win. And we'll have this giveaway open until next Wednesday's video. So that'll be March 3rd, 4th, whatever, a week from today, okay? I will contact someone and hopefully ship this out. And that is it for this video. If you were interested in the Mint Melt collection, I hope this video helped you out. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Ow, I don't think my arm is supposed to bend like that. Ow. Oh, I'll also throw in the cooling cleanser. So I prop my wig up, right? From this angle, doesn't this look like one of those, I don't know, 17, 18, I don't, you guys know what type of wigs I'm talking about. I gotta keep my head at this angle for it to kind of look like that. But, you know, okay, see, now can't give that angle. Like, gotta keep it like there.
Yeah, 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 yeah.